Harnack House in Berlin's Dahlem district. This is where the Max Planck Society invites the world's leading scientists to speak. The Harnack Lectures. They commemorate Adolf von Harnack, after whom the house and the series of lectures are named. But who was he? Which influential ideas originated in his mind? From 1888 on, Harnack teaches as a professor of theology at the University of Berlin. He also advises the government as a scientific manager. Already during the times of the German Empire, he sees the need for scientific research to have a new kind of institution, outside of established universities and academies. Kaiser Wilhelm finds Harnack's ideas persuasive. It is in the Kaiser's interest to strengthen the sciences and thus ensure his nation's ability to compete. The Kaiser Wilhelm Society is founded in 1911. As its first president, Harnack sees to it that outstanding scientists are able to work in well-equipped institutes and with a high level of autonomy. But he is equally convinced, in order to achieve groundbreaking research, a close exchange of ideas on an international level is needed as well. To make such encounters possible, he wants to build an academic meeting place. With the opening of Harnack House in 1929, his vision becomes reality, and his opening speech marks only the beginning of a series of high-ranking lectures. Albert Einstein, Lise Meitner, and Otto Warburg belong to the long list of speakers from all over the world. The core values Harnack established in those days remain just as valid for today's modern system of science: internationality, excellence, and broad-mindedness. For Harnack, this also means supporting the integration of women into the sciences. Eventually, his daughter Agnes became one of the co-founders of the German Female Scientists Alliance. It was a time when the first professorships were appointed to women. Today, Harnack House functions as a conference venue for the Max Planck Society, which itself originated in the Kaiser Wilhelm Society. The Harnack Lectures encourage an international exchange beyond the boundaries of respective disciplines. Hans Clevers delivered a lecture about building miniature organoids that could prove to be a future tool for testing new drugs. Rainer Weiss gave his lecture in 2016. As co-founder of the LIGO Observatory for Measuring Gravitational Waves, he was awarded the Nobel Prize for Physics 1 year later. Thus, the Harnack Lectures are testimony to the successful concept of non-university research within the framework of the Max Planck Society.